This is our large classroom training area where we can host our Essentials Fellowships, our Tiny Fellowships, we can host community leaders, pop-ups, pilots. The sky is the limit. This is one of the major reasons why we moved to this space. We just envision so much happening in this space. We want to see teachers and families and students, people from all over the city using this space. And so it is a great asset to the 4.0 studio. If you want to walk with me here, I'll show you the length of the room. It is an awesome space. We can fit 100 plus people in this space. There we go with the lights. And so another reason why I mentioned it's great for our camps is because, for instance, our tiny camp is sometimes 80 plus people, or actually usually 80 plus people. And before, we've had to rent space elsewhere outside of the 4.0 office to host our camp. But now with this brand new studio, we can host tiny camp right here at the home base.